The marginal cost function for the manufactured of wireless headphone is given by C prime of x equal 20 minus x over 200, where x is the number of headphones manufactured. Use a Riemann sum with n equals 5 to estimate the cost of producing the first 5 headphones. Since the problem does not specify the left or the right Riemann sum, we will go ahead and use the left Riemann sum, but then we will also use the right Riemann sum and compare the two answers. For the first 5 headphones, the cost will be the cost of producing from x equal to 0 to x equals 5. And since we are to use 5 subdivision n equal 5, we divide this interval into 5 subdivisions of equal lengths. The answer will be the integral from 0 to 5 of 20 minus x over 200 dx. So a is 0 and b is 5. We can see that since the distance or the interval is from 0 to 5, if we divide by it to 5, then each of these has a width of 1. Or we can simply do delta x equals 5 minus 0 over n equals 5, and this is 5 over 5 or 1. The x values are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now, using the left endpoint, we will use 0, 1 for the second interval, 2 for the third interval, 3 for the fourth interval, and 4 for the fifth intervals. Remember that each of the delta x is 1. And so using the left sum with 5 subdivision, we have delta x, we factor out delta x, and then we take f of 0, the left endpoint that give us the height f of 0, plus f of 1 plus f of 2 plus f of 3 plus f of 4. There are 5 terms in this sum, so we stop. Delta x is 1. And if we evaluate f of 0, we will have f of 0 equals 20 minus 0 over 200, which is 20. And so f of 0 is 20 plus, if we evaluate f of 1, we will have f of 1 equals 20 minus 1 over 200, because the function given, the marginal cost is 20 minus x over 200. So we plugged 1 into x into the function, and we will get 19.995. And so f of 1 is 19.995. And we keep evaluating f of 2, f of 3, and f of 4, and we will get f of 2 is 19.99, f of 3 is 19.985, and f of 4 is 19.98. Add all of these up, we will get 99.95. This will be the cost to produce the first 5 headphones using the left endpoint. If we use the right endpoint with 5 subdivisions still, then the delta x will be 1, but this time we're using the right endpoint for the first subinterval is 1, the right endpoint for the second interval is 2, 3, 4, and then 5. This means the corresponding height will be f of 1 now, plus f of 2, plus f of 3, plus f of 4, plus f of 5. And again, there are 5 terms in this sum. This is 1 times f of 1 is 19.995 plus f of 2 is 19.99, f of 3 is 19.985, f of 4 is 19.98, and if we evaluate f of 5, we will have 20 minus 5 over 200. This will give us 19.98 19.975. So f of 5 is 19.975. Evaluate this, we will get 99.925. So using the left sum, we get 99.95. Using the right sum, we get 99.925. Usually, we will get a more accurate answer if we average the two. So we take the left sum, 99.95, we add to the right sum, 99.925, and divide it by 2. Again, this is the average of the two sums. We found the left sum, and then we found the right sum. The average will be 99.9375.